Welcome to the Solidworks PCB interface overview. We've combined the latest PCB design technology with an interface that is easy to pick up and use immediately. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. When you first open Solidworks PCB, you'll arrive at the Start page. Here you can manage your account, create a new PCB project, or open an existing project. Opening a project will instantly populate your project's panel, giving you a detailed hierarchy of all the documents in your design. Now that we've got our project opened, we can start designing. You'll spend most of your time on the Home tab during your design process, whether that's placing a specific component on a schematic or routing a track on your PCB. And of course, no workspace is complete until it's customized to your specific needs. Use the View tab to turn on or off panels like libraries and projects. Easily manage design changes with the Solidworks Collaboration button. And let's not forget about shortcuts. Easily access them with the Alt key for a specific panel, or view all available shortcuts with the Shortcuts menu. If you ever need help along the way, use the Help icon or press F1 when using a specific feature to read our detailed documentation. The Projects tab is where you'll go to easily add new documents to your project, such as a new schematic or PCB. The Tools tab lets you communicate your design intent perfectly, with a number of tools to organize objects, annotate your design intent, and easily move, align, and link components in your design as needed. When it's finally time to share your design with the world, head on over to the Outputs tab. Here you can output specific documentation for fabrication and run your configured design rule checks for an error-free design process.